Ethereum is finally breaking out to the upside, guys. Welcome everyone, my name is Alessandro and today we're gonna not only cover Bitcoin but also Ethereum and also new upcoming cryptos to buy right now. Of course, in my opinion, guys, this is all no financial advice, just my own opinions. We're gonna have a look into Ethereum and Bitcoin, and of course I'm gonna tell you my price analysis. So everything in this video is no financial advice. I'm just here to update you whatever is going on here in the crypto space. I'm sharing everything that I'm buying, that I'm selling, that I'm trading here in the crypto space, guys. So everything is my own opinion in this video, and therefore now, of course, very important, guys, if you're trading Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever coins that you're trading right now, we are entering into the banana zone. So we are about to go parabolic, in my opinion. We're gonna have a look into Ethereum, we're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, and of course the Bitcoin dominance as well. So different things that I want to cover in this video, guys. So welcome everyone on board here. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel, leave a like, subscribe, because as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers, we're gonna do the next $100 giveaway here on this channel. The more active you are in this channel, the more likely it is to select you as lucky winner. Follow me also in my other social media platforms. Sign up right now to Maxi Global with my link here in the video description, guys, because right now for Ethereum, we have right now a very big event going on here on the launchpad on Maxi Global. This is a new user exclusive, so just create a new account with the link in the video description for Maxi Global, guys, and like this you can profit from them, especially if you want to buy Ethereum or if you want to trade Ethereum. And also, if you're looking out for new coins right now that are going to launch during this altcoin season that in my opinion is in front of us, then you're gonna find all new hyped cryptos here in the video description, such as Bitcoin Hyper, Maxi Doge, Token 6900. We have a bunch of new coins that are upcoming where of course we can hope for a big launch and a big pump right as soon as it's coming out, hopefully. And some of them you can also still buy and stake it, of course, for a very high API, such as a Bitcoin Hyper, for example. The only thing that you need to do is click the link in the video description, then bind your DeFi wallet of your choice. I usually like to use my MetaMask account, and then of course I can buy, like here, Bitcoin Hyper and stake it for a nice API, so to accumulate more and more coins until launch. We have a bunch of bullish news, of course, coming out about Bitcoin, about Bitcoin Hyper, and many other new projects. Also Snorter, this new Solana trading bot. So everything is pointing out, guys, that we're going to see a big altcoin season. And I told you in every video that the big altcoin season will start, first of all, when Ethereum is breaking out above $4,200 and is creating new all-time highs. And of course, once the Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Bitcoin right now is trapped in this falling channel here, and as soon as we're gonna break out here to the upside, of course I'm expecting here new all-time highs. Until then, it is possible that here we could get one more rejection before we head higher, so we have to watch out here for the 4-hour closes. As soon as we have 4-hour closes above $117,300, and right now we are trying to do that, then I believe the breakout will start. So over the weekend, I'm not trading that much, guys, because I don't trust too much the moves that we are seeing on the weekends, since most of the times we are retracing back where the CME chart is or got closed basically on Friday. And here you can see that we closed at $117,400, so right here. So it is possible that wherever the price is going during the weekend, that we're going to retrace to this price level on Monday, and then of course expect continuation to the upside or to the downside. Based on my indicators, it is possible that we could see here one more last leg down before eventually we break out here to the upside based on the 4-hour time frame on the CME. On the spot chart, it looks like because of this move that we are trying to push higher, but I'm just not trusting this move at the moment. But of course, overall, I am bullish because also over on the daily time frame, we are about to get everywhere buy signals confirmed, and that means that yeah, we shouldn't go again below $115,000 with the daily closes now. In the opposite, we should expect here a monster breakout to the upside in the not so distant future, guys. And this of course will signal then the big start of a massive run for Bitcoin, and of course also for the altcoins. Because if we go over now into the Bitcoin dominance here, you can see that we are falling now below the 50 weekly moving average. And I told you guys that here at the 50 weekly moving average on the Bitcoin dominance, we have a lot of support, because since we basically never had any altcoin season since what was it, 2021, you can see that the Bitcoin dominance was going up and up, and we always got a big bounce bounce at the 50 weekly moving average. This held here as the strongest support during this whole uptrend. And if this is going to change now, then of course we should be seeing a weekly close below the 50 weekly, because then of course we're gonna most likely drop again down below 50%, maybe even below 40% in the Bitcoin dominance. And that would mean that we're gonna see a monster altcoin season in front of us. Of course, guys, no financial advice, but based on the charts, this is what we are getting here. And it's almost impossible to understand or to realize, but right now it is the time to be invested in everything basically. And that's why I'm buying also into new coins that are hyped right now, that are supposed to come out, because everything is basically pumping like crazy. Of course, no financial advice, guys, no promises, but we have so bullish things going on Solana, on Ethereum, and also here on Maxi Global. You can see also every new coin that is getting listed here immediately it is pumping, sometimes even with 4 digits, and that is of course insane. Monor, what I have no idea what that is, but this one is pumping today 13,000%. So such things can happen right now in the crypto space during this altcoin season, and that's why I'm so bullish, guys. And that's why also, if you are buying altcoins, if you're trading new coins, of course, if you want to get into new low market cap coins that are not out on exchanges yet, then of course you can get them with the links in the video description. I bought all of them. You can of course also just choose the most hyped ones like Bitcoin Hyper, Snorter, Token 6900, and so on. But there are also some new XRP tokens as well, some new Solana projects as well. So check them out and buy into the ones that you like. And of course, sign up right now to Maxi Global Exchange, to this one over here. Of course, I'm trading also over on Bybit, Binance, Phemex, but on Maxi Global right now, there is this special event going on with Ethereum. And for everyone that is signing up right now, you can go to the Launchpad here, Launchpad and then Ethereum. Then register to the event, because you can get here basically a 90% off. So instead of, if you're doing this subscription here for Ethereum with Tether, then you get, instead of $4,200 right now, a fixed price of $360 here on Maxi Global. And the same is also with their own tokens, 20% off. On Ethereum, it's 90% off. So you can subscribe right now, and of course also have the chance to get up to $10,000 in futures bonuses if you sign up with my link, and of course fulfill all the requirements here of this event here on Maxi Global. So of course, guys, as always, no financial advice. If you're trading right now, of course, we're gonna have a lot of volatile moves, both to the upside and to the downside. But in my opinion, this is the time to be all in or invested here in different cryptos. At least this is what I'm doing. This is my own opinion. No financial advice, of course. It's just what I believe and also what my indicators are telling me. And I bought into all of them. I'm also staking everywhere the coins, because as long as this bull run and this altcoin season will last, of course, the more I want to accumulate coins and the more I want to have them, until of course we are topping out somewhere. But of course, Ethereum right now is starting the breakout. We are potentially having now the first weekly close above $4,200. If this week, in one day, in 13 hours, will close above $4,200, then I believe that here we're gonna go to insane high levels for Ethereum. My targets are still somewhere up here between $11,000 and $20,000 for Ethereum, because you can see in the previous bull run we had this resistance and this support down here, same like Bitcoin. Then we crashed down, same like Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is trading somewhere up here, while Ethereum is still down here. And that's why I think that we're gonna see a very, very big altcoin season right now in front of us, guys. And this will start once Ethereum is having weekly closes above this resistance trend line here, because that means that we're gonna have the highest weekly close ever. The indicators, of course, are starting to look a bit toppy here. Also on the weekly time frame, you can see that every time we came to $4,200, we got here into overbought condition. We had bearish crosses and so on. For now, everything is looking good. And also, even though we are a bit toppy, but you can see that in the previous run here, when we tested $4,200 for Ethereum, in the monthly time frame, we were in extreme overbought condition and we had everywhere sell signals. Now it's the opposite. On the monthly time frame, this big move is just getting started. The same like here. So we have almost the same basically setup like we had, for example, over here, buy signals, when we went from like $200 all the way up to almost $5,000, or of course also here when we went from $2,000 to $4,200. And that's why I believe that Ethereum will go to insane high levels right now. Of course, no financial advice, guys, but I'm holding all my Ethereums. Of course, I have accumulated during the last couple of weeks and months more and more Ethereum, and of course Solana, Tron, and so on. Also most of the meme coins, you can see that everything is pumping, and this has of course also to do because whenever Ethereum of course is going up a lot, then we're gonna see all the altcoins following as well. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna keep you updated also on some other altcoins, and of course take advantage of this Maxi Global event right now. If you want to buy Ethereum, then do that right now with this 90% off, only for new users exclusive. So you must create a new account with my link in the video description, fulfill all the requirements, and if you have an old account, just transfer everything out, make a new one, get here this 90% off for Ethereum here on Maxi Global, and take advantage of that. And otherwise, of course, here is also great to trade all the newest coins that are just getting listed, and of course, which are the most trending ones. All right, guys, that's it for now. Check out all links in the video description. Be subscribed to you guys. I keep you updated. Of course, I am bullish. I don't think that the big breakout will happen this weekend, but everything is pointing out that it's about time that not only Bitcoin is going again into new all-time highs, but also the altcoins as well, such as Ethereum, which is still the second biggest crypto out there, guys. Doesn't matter what people are saying about Ethereum, but it's still the second biggest, and that means that once Ethereum is moving, the altcoins will follow big as well. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed. I keep you updated, of course, and we're gonna see us all later on with an update video on some altcoins, of course, that I'm always keeping an eye on, such as Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and so on. So stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.